Iniciar a gravação.
Chamar o Léo.
Ok, Luiz. Thank you, Carlos. Meu Deus, eu acho que eu fiz cagada já. Eu falei palavrão.
Vai ter que cortar, Carlinhos. Vou começar de novo, dá de novo então.
Não, vai.
Marca um relógio aí pra mim, aí você corta essa parte, eu dou... Ah não, deixa que eu marco aqui, peraí.
Aqui ó, tá começando.
Mas é que eu queria ver o tempo que vai dar, porque eu preciso que dê.
Eu vou te avisando aqui, ó. Ó, eu vou de 5 em 5 min, tá ligado? Ó,
Tá.
vou aqui, ó, 5 min aqui, 10 min aqui, 15 min, ó.
Não, nem precisa se preocupar com 15 mil.
Ah,
Ó, você tem que pegar o fone e colocar na camisa.
é, o microfone.
É só pegar aqui?
É, se quiser pôr por dentro. Vai colocar mais embaixo. Gruda na camisa mesmo. Puxa um bagulho.
E tem que colocar o outro na calça, porque senão vai puxar e vai cair. Aí. Vou começar a cronometrar então.
Naquela qualidade.
Ó, meu Deus, eu tô cronometrando uma coisa há 25 dias. Eu não sei o que eu tava cronometrando, mas... Vai. 1, 2, 3...
Hello everybody, today I will talk about goal line technology or GLT systems. Okay, this is a very important system. Não vai dar. Não vai. Não. Eu vou reiniciar. Não vai dar certo, cara. Viu, cara, eu falei a primeira palavra. Ai, caralho.
Devagar. Do jeito que fez. Olha a cara que você tá fazendo.
Ok, tá, eu vou lá. Tá?
Não, falar tá legal. O problema é que você faz umas carinhas, cara. Que não dá pra pegar. Não dá pra pegar.
Ok, hello everybody. Today. Saia da sala, sem bancada. Sem bancada, não vai dar certo. Depois cai de
Não
corte.
vai dar certo mesmo. Foi mal.
Depois você corta, né? Ai, cara.
Não assisti tudo aí, nada.
Hello everybody. Today I will talk about goal line technology or GLT systems. This is a very important system, a very important football technology. So, basically in football, humans' decisions are not so precise, has not so accuracy in some situations in the game. For example, we have many people in penalty box, or the light is not so good for the moment, the human decision has not so accuracy. Okay? So GLT systems help us to develop these decisions in the game and make a fair game. FIFA has thinking about GLT since 2000, 2001, I don't know exactly, but was a very think systems. FIFA has some requirements for GLT systems, but in 2012, in 2010, in the World Cup in South Africa, again changed everything. So in a match between Germany and England, the midfielder Frank Lambert while Germany was winning the game, Frank Lampard hit a shot from outside of penalty box that bounced off the crossbar and over the line. The ball came back and the goal was disallowed for the assistant referee. After Germany wins the match, but you can see clear in these two pictures that the goal was legal and assistant referee was wrong, was very wrong. Okay? After that, FIFA decided to really choose the GLT systems. But has to be some accuracy, and for this, just few requirements. Okay? In this picture, you can see a tolerance area for goal. Here in the red area, we have no goal because the ball is less than 2 centimeters for the line. And yellow, we can see the tolerance area that is more or less new centimeters, and more you can see the goal area in green. We need more requirements. I will talk about this later, but it's like a speed of ball. We have to be some precision in speed of ball and light of the field of the game, and weather like heavy rain or heavy snow. For goal line technology, we have two solutions. The first one is a video approach, which means which is less expensive, more simple, but with a less accuracy. It's very good. It's used in many situations, but it has a less precision in decisions. The video approach is basically a solution that we have many cameras around the field and with many perspectives, and in this perspective we need to recording all the moments, take many pictures for all the moments. For after that, we decide to if the ball was or not in the line. Okay. So if we have many people in the penalty box, the decisions isn't so good. If we have no good conditions of light, the decision isn't so good. If we have heavy rain, the decision isn't so good. So today are very using, but it has not good accuracy. And the second one is electromagnetic field approach. This solution has more accuracy, has more precision, but is much more expensive, much more. Okay? Basically, the electromagnetic solution is we have two electronics and one ball, one external, one post, goal or close of the ball. The ball is received and transmitted the signal, and external circuit is receiving the signal. Basically, the ball has an electromagnetic field, and the external receptor has electromagnetic field too. So we have two electromagnetic fields which means that the first magnetic field plus second magnetic field results in a third magnetic field, and this resultant magnetic field shows us the location of the ball. So you can see that it's much more accurate, because this location that the third electromagnetic wave brings to us, it's much better than video-based approach. Okay? So the signal which is emitted is a low frequency signal, so human body doesn't affect anything in this communication. So we can have many people between the communication that won't affect anything. Heavy rain doesn't affect you, and light doesn't affect, because this is not about light or about recording something. This is some influence factors. The most important factor is velocity, because with more velocity we need more frames per second, which means more expensive circuit, expensive data, expensive signal. Basically, this graph shows us that with more FPS, less is displacement of the location, of the real location of the ball. And with less FPS, we have more displacement and less real location of the ball. Nothing in engineering are exactly, but electromagnetic solution show us a very good precision. We have ball compression that in electromagnetic field affect something, but it's not much. We have light conditions, just affect visual solution, and occlusion of the ball just affect solution visual approach. Okay? So we can see that dielectric systems are very used in engineering, and is a very good solution for our games. Imagine in a final of World Cup that a human decision affects the final result of the match. If this happened, wouldn't be so good. So GLT helped us so much. Okay? Thank you for everything, and thank you for all. Okay? Bye-bye.
Eu posso falar depois de perguntar. Pode falar?
Não fala, não.
Quê?
É a sala dele.
Ele
Não,
não.
não.
Nem até que tá em dia, né? Lógico que eu esqueço uma palavra ou outra, mas tá em dia em geral. Quê?
Só faço dar um seu mesmo.
Mas.
Já 10 minutos.
Deu. Fala dele. Vamos lá, lutar, amor?
Vamos lá, lutar.
Dali. Eu não estava presente em corpo, mas eu estava assistindo a live, tá, Gal?
Hã?
Eu estava assistindo a live.
Estava assistindo o que você achou do English?
Very good.